Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell a BNB for US dollars on your Trust wallet. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually transfer your funds from your Trust wallet to another wallet, for example Binance. Okay, and then we'll use the peer-to-peer market. So here you can click send and you manage your crypto. Make sure you have these enabled, search it up, BNB, so you can send it on there. So toggle it on and then you just send your BNB to your wallet address that you have from Binance. Enter the amount, memo, hit next, proceed. What you can do, just go to your Binance wallet and you can come here to add funds, okay, or just look for that specific crypto. And what you want to do on your wallet, you select your coin, whatever coin you want, let's say USDT, BNB. So you go ahead and just, paste it in to your Trust wallet, enter the amount, hit next. And once your amount is here, what I need you to do is I need you to go ahead and transfer everything to funding. So it'll be on spot. Go ahead and transfer everything to your funding account, the whole thing. And what I need you to do after that, okay, once you've transferred your BNB amount and you've confirmed it, you go to the exchange section, right? There's a peer-to-peer on funding, so you can access that P2P trading, peer-to-peer, and you can just search up let's say sell, and find your payment method that you like. If you like Payoneer, you can do bank transfers. As you can see right here, there's many different options depending on your country. And then you just go find the correct person, merchant, then you sell to them and you finalize the transaction. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.